Oh.
Is it the Bee Gees?
Hang on. Okay. You asked for it again.
I know what it is.
Let's go again.
Yeah, I think I know what it is. I thought I knew what it was.
Is it Staying Alive by the Bee Gees?
Yeah.
Correct. Lucy Marbles.
Well done, Lucy.
2 points, Team
You got that back as well.
Very nice. Very nice. Right. Ran. Ran is up.
I thought I was muted. Sorry.
Team Grass. This is a tricky one. Hardest so far. Good luck.
Oh, don't say that. Okay.
It's cool. Tough. Tricky, dicky. Team Grass. We'll have it again, please, Sharan.
Yeah.
Need it again.
Sure.
Okay. If you insist.
Encore.
Again. I recognise it, I just don't know the name. Team Grass.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's like
Ricky.
Uptown Funk again.
Yeah.
It does sound a bit like that, but it's not that one. I don't think. Anyone from Team Grass, otherwise going to have to hand it over to. It's heading. Team San Fran. Any guesses?
Nope.
Not a clue. Silence. Team Space.
No idea.
Your chance to bring it back. No. Play it, Dan.
No, sorry.
Well, that's Layla. Very nice.
That is a
Right.
hard one.